Very good morning, dear students. Today we are going to deal with the story The Little Girl. And here I am before you to give you a brief idea or the summary of the story The Little Girl, as it has been completed in our previous classes. Okay, so the Little Girl, this story is about a little girl, Kezia. Kezia, who was very much afraid of her father, whenever he was at home, she was afraid, frightened, dull, and grey. Yes, very upset at home. But whenever her father was going out to his workplace, she was happy. She was happy and glad, enjoying everything. Yes, so here it shows that she was too much afraid of her father. Even it is described that her father was a figure, was a figure to be afraid or to be feared and avoided for little girl Kezia. He was like a giant, big enough like a giant for Kezia. Why? Because the person, the man, the father was having, means he had never talked with her politely or with love. He was always talking with her in a rough manner. He was always scolding her. Yes, shouting at her, giving her order and order after order. He always wanted her in discipline. He always wanted her in discipline. And due to that only, he was always giving her instruction after instruction, how to live, not to stutter. Yes, so this way, this made Kezia afraid of her father. So at the beginning you will find the father, though he was austere, but coming to the bedroom of Kezia every day before going to office and giving her a casual kiss every day. Yes, to show his love. And she responded him by bidding him goodbye. Yes, bidding him goodbye. So this way it was going on every day, regularly. But practically she was too much afraid of him. And whenever she heard the sound of carriages becoming fainter and fainter, she was becoming happy. As I told you, when her father was out, when her father was not at home, she was happy and very glad. There was a sense of glad on her face. So this is what she was afraid of her father. Then whenever he was coming back at home, again giving order after order to her mother, and mother was giving the same order to her, passing on the order to the daughter Kezia, to take off his shoes and take away the cup of tea. Means the thing that happens at home. Okay, household work like. So then what happened? There you will find one day, when as it is given there, the grandmother suggested Kezia to go to the drawing room on every Sunday afternoons. The grandmother advised Kezia to go to the drawing room and to have a good talk with her parents. But whenever she was going down to the drawing room to have a good talk with her parents, she found that her mother was busy in reading newspaper. Her mother was always busy in reading newspaper, and father was taking rest, snoring in the sofa. Yes, taking rest in the sofa, sleeping there in the sofa, covering his face with handkerchief. So she had no chance to have talk with her parents. So she stood on the stool, or she sat on the stool beside her father, looking at him. And when he woke up, he stared at her and shouted at her not to look like that, not to look like that. So this way he was always just taking out, or he was just pointing out mistakes in her. He was always just pointing out mistakes in her and trying to scold her everywhere, every time, which made her frightened. Yes. So then again another thing is given there, another incident of a family, and that is when there was birthday on the next week, or in the next week, Kezia was advised by her grandmother to make a pin cushion to give a gift to her father. And Kezia did the same. She got a cotton cloth, we can say, and there she stitched it from 3 sides and left open the 4th one to fill it in. And as she found nothing, she searched everywhere, such as scraps or what you can say, the pieces of cloth or whatever to fill it in, but she found nothing. So she went to the mother's room, and there she found some fine sheets of fine paper, or a great sheets of fine paper on the bed table. So she thought it would be of no use. So she tore them up into pieces and filled in the case, that pin cushion, and stitched the 4th side. But what happened? Look at there, that night when he came back from office, there was Hugh in the house. The father was actually searching for the speech that he had written on the sheets of paper. But unfortunately, the daughter Kezia had tore them up into pieces and filled it. Yes, or stuff it into the case. So here he did not find. Everywhere the question were asked to everyone, everywhere it is searched, but nothing. Yes, nothing was there. Nowhere, means they did not find the seeds. So at last mother came to her room, yes, and asked her about the paper. So there she said yes, she had seen, and even she told mother that she had torn them into pieces and stuffed the case. So she reported all those in detail to her father, and father got angry very much, and he even beat her with the ruler, and the ruler came on the little palm, pink palm. She became too much afraid. She had never forgotten that incident. She was too much afraid of her father that whenever she would confront her father, she put her hands back immediately, and her cheeks grew red due to fear. So she did not forget that night she was beaten by her father. Yes. Then later on, what happened? Another incident is given that when her grandmother, mother was ill, grandmother took her to the hospital, and they stayed there that night in the hospital itself. Alice the cook was there in home with her whole day. So as it was daytime, there was no problem, but when it was night, she was afraid. She had nightmare, or she used to have nightmare at night, and that's why she was too much afraid to stay at night at home alone. Her father came back home, but as we have seen, she was too afraid, or as we know that she was too afraid of her father, so she could not stay with her father. She was all alone in her bedroom. Yes, Alice kept her in her bed to sleep and went to his own home. So now she was all alone in her bedroom, in her bed, and her father was there in his bedroom. Yes, now then what happened when there was dark? She had a nightmare, the same nightmare. And what was that nightmare? It was of Butcher with a knife and rope coming closer to Kezia, giving dreadful smile. which made her afraid, and in that she cried out, "Grandma, grandma," and father came there to see what happened to her. And he knew very well her nightmare, and that's why he took her to his bedroom, and lay her down beside him. Yes, and then he stayed there, or he lay down beside her to just comfort her. Yes, so that night Kezia understood the difference, or what can I say, there she understood the condition of her father. What happened there that night when Kezia was there with him in his room, in his bed? What happened there? Father went to sleep, means father slept before daughter. Why? Because of tiredness, because of the as he was too much exhausted, he went sleep. Yes, he was asleep before her. So there was a funny feeling over the little girl Kezia, and there she realized the condition of her father, how he was tired, how he got exhausted every day. And there she understood what a big heart her father had. And thereafter she started understanding her father, and then she never complained against her father. And there it is said this way it is said how the feeling of daughter changed about her father. In between there is again another character, Mr. MacDonald. Okay, Mr. MacDonald, to whom she saw through the gap into the fence of her house. Yes, so there she saw through the gap that Mr. MacDonald was playing with his 5 children happily. So there she understood there is difference between, or there are different types of fathers, like MacDonald happily playing with his children, and another her father who was very strict. Yes, so there she understood that there are different types of father. And then at last at the end of story you will find that there she realized the condition of her father, and why he was so like. Yes, or why he was so. There she understood, and thereafter she did not complain against her father. So this is what the story of the little girl Kezia, and how her opinion about her father changed. Understood? So this is the summary of the story, The Little Girl. So guys, I hope you understood the story. Go through it, and still if you have any query, just make me call, or just phone me. I will try to sort out your problem. Okay guys, so see you soon. Bye bye.